Hello everyone, so I have three packages here. This one is from Alibaba, AirPods Pro. I did unboxing video on this one. If you want to see that video, I will put the link up. Okay, it's uploaded on YouTube in my channel. You can subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. So this one in the middle is from Wish, and this one is from AliExpress. Alright, so I'm gonna open those two, and you can see the video for this one on my previous video. So let's open the one from Wish. This is from Wish. Okay, actually let me show you just to show you that it is from Wish. I have the tracking number. Here it is. Okay, delivered on February 1. And where is the tracking number? Right here, ending 0927CN. 0927CN. Okay, this is from Wish. So let's open this up to see what we got. Okay, the front page looks like AirPods Pro. So have a barcode or the QR code. No logo like this one from Alibaba has Apple logo, and it had a print AirPods Pro, but this is from Wish, no logo. Okay, so I'm gonna open one from AliExpress too. Let me just show you the tracking number on my order history. So give me 1 second. Okay, so here, this is the one. It says Air Pro one-on-one wireless earbuds Bluetooth, $39.10. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on it, and yep. So, okay, and so a total of $41.54. So let's open this up to see what we got. Okay, so card, warranty and service. All right. Oh, it actually came with case and the ring. All right, and from AliExpress, this has Apple logo, barcodes, even has serial number. Apple logo shows AirPods Pro, just like the one from Alibaba. Okay, so let's turn it over. So from Wish, it doesn't have the print here. Both of them had AirPods Pro, doesn't have it, AirPods Pro. Okay, and it also doesn't have Apple. From Alibaba and from Alibaba and AliExpress has Apple right here. So let's turn this over again. Like I said, this one I got it from Alibaba. Let's open those up. Actually, let's break this seal. Alibaba, Wish, the AliExpress. Okay, so let's open those up. Little hard to take it off. There you go. That's AliExpress. This is Wish, and this is Alibaba. Alibaba and AliExpress looks kind of similar. Okay, so like I said, from Alibaba you can check my other video for unboxing. I'm not gonna open that up, so I'm just gonna compare one from AliExpress and the Wish. So it doesn't have any documents. Oh, actually it does. Inside it says Airs Pro. It says Airs Pro, not AirPods Pro. Okay, this one is from AliExpress. Has a print, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Has a button here. Okay, this is from AliExpress. Also has print on the earbuds. Left has a print on earbuds. Also has print on the lid. They also put the serial number. I wonder if what will happen if I check the warranty information on them. So this one is from Wish, as you can see, in little plastic bag. No print, no button. Opens up and lights up. Lights up again. No prints. No prints, not even right or left print on either of the earbuds. Alright, let's put them back in. This looks really not a good one. Has the earbuds, ear tips I should say, sorry, ear tips, 2 sizes, and the USB cable with lightning charger. And let's take everything out of the one that's shipped from AliExpress. So just it's packed well. Unfortunately I don't have the authentic Apple AirPods Pro, so this also comes with extra 2 different sizes, 2 different pairs of ear tips, and already 1 pair on the earbuds. So okay, and the USB wire. This one looks much better than the one from Wish, and this is actually type C. I don't know if you can see this, sorry, it's not focusing. Yeah, type C to the lightning. Okay, I wonder if this wire has a print on it. Usually Apple wires have Apple print on them, but I don't see it on this one. So that's it. If you actually, let me just let me just show you the one from Alibaba. So it also came with this. I took it off and has a print and everything. Has a print, as I've been saying, you can check this out on my other video. Same thing, comes with the 2 pairs of extra tips and wire. Same thing. I think it also has the type C one. Yeah, also has a type C. I don't really know what authentic Apple comes with. If anyone knows, please Please leave a comment on it so I know. All right, that's it. I bought 3 AirPods Pro from AliExpress, Wish, and Alibaba. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, so that with your support I can bring more and more videos. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.